What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm just gonna basically jump right into it, but today's the goal. We have about a week left, or a month left. I gotta finish this trunk setup. Obviously everything's a mess, so I want to get it cleaned up and looking good, but trunk's a mess. We're gonna get that fixed between basically this weekend, tonight, tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to finish it up. So I've got flooring. That's what I'm gonna use. It looks pretty much like this. I actually opened one of the boxes already, so that's what it's gonna look like. Very light, but overall it looks super good. I'm gonna trace it out on this, and then obviously the air system will be good. I have to figure out, there's a leak somewhere in the rear bags. I'm also gonna figure that out. I'll put it up in the hoist, look at all that. But yeah, so finally gonna finish this up. I'm gonna post all the videos because I'm just gonna show it all. I was gonna wait and show it after the first meet that I have, or the show that I have, but I'll post up all the videos so these will all start going in order and you guys will see all these videos. I just want to start making some content, and then I've got a top mount intercooler and some other stuff over there to put on the car to start making some power. So content's coming back and everything like that, but I'm gonna open this up and start to get everything laid out and we will go from there. So yeah, let's skip to a time lapse and let me see how far I can get on this. All right, so this is kind of the layout we're gonna go with. Obviously I have a new tank here because the other one that I have has absolutely no mounting brackets on it, so it's kind of useless to me. But we're doing this tank, and then these are the templates for manifold and the compressors. Dual compressors. Dual compressors are always suggested, just in case one of the compressors gives out, you still have one as a backup, and two compressors also help fill it up really quick. But that's the flooring. This is like 7 millimeters, I don't know, 7 inches thick or something like that. And it's super nice. One box, I have like 3 pieces extra, or 2 pieces extra, I don't know, a couple pieces extra. So it took one box. These boxes were on clearance, so they costed me like $14 or $17 each. Great deal, super happy with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and trace this all out, and then I will cut it out. And then I'll start drilling my holes and marking things out. So, awesome. I'll update you guys in a little bit. All right, so as you can see, basically we cut it out. It matches that one pretty close. We're about to test fit it in the trunk, and then we're gonna mark out where we're gonna have the compressors and the manifold and everything else mount. And the way I'm mounting it is gonna be using nut zerts, which is basically this. It'll collapse on itself. A bolt will go through either direction. And so yeah, we're gonna test it in the trunk real quick and then get to mounting everything up. I still gotta buy hardware for it, so I won't finish it completely tonight, which is fine because I don't want to rush myself. Plus I have to de-air the car and everything like that and take all this out and then figure out wiring and hose placement to run to the trunk. But other than that, this is what it looks like, so I'm super happy with it. All right, I will set another time lapse. All right, what is up? All right, what is up, guys? So quick update for the night. This is where I'm gonna shut it down just because I have to get up early tomorrow to go to work, but I'll come back after work. And this is how we have it. So we cut everything up. Obviously it's all in different pieces. I had to cut the top piece off, which is basically the little corner. It folds up with the seats when the seats go down in the back. So cut that off. Have to run the hoses in here. They all come out like right here. And they need to all come out right there so that they come up and then run right to the back, because the manifold will be face turning around. So you can currently see hoses end that way. Hoses will now go that way. That'll get flipped upside down, but that is where we're leaving it tonight. So I will probably make a new video tomorrow, and I'll put this video up tonight. So yeah, that is currently the update, and we have to get some hardware and figure out how we're gonna mount everything tomorrow, run some new wires or hoses. So we got a few customers coming in, but I got all weekend to just finagle on this whenever. I got about a month to get it done. So yeah, welcome to crunch time, I guess. So all right, what's up, guys? Today is day 2 or 3 of actually working on the custom trunk setup. So this is where we've gotten. Today I should be able to mount everything, or maybe tomorrow, but this is pretty much what it's gonna look like. So we're gonna have one compressor over there, one compressor over there. The management manifold's gonna be in the center, and then the tank's gonna be kind of centered in the trunk. So this is what it pretty much looks like. And then obviously when the seats are up, everything behind it won't look bad. I have to trim all the hoses and everything because they're gonna go right into the back of the manifold. But either way, that's pretty much what we got. So now I'm gonna use all the brackets, all these templates and everything, and I'm gonna start drilling holes, and then I will be able to put everything in, and then hopefully everything seals up. I have to redo all the fittings because this is a new tank, so I have to get all my fittings to work because obviously all these have to plug into it. But either way, so that's pretty much what we got. I'm gonna drill all the holes, like I said, once I mark everything out, and then I'll show you guys the pretty much finished product. This is version 1. I already plan to do a different version later on, but like I said, I have a show in about a month, so I'm just getting everything finished up. This is the only week off I've had in the shop and everything, so this is what I'm getting, and I'm still happy with it. It still looks incredible. I have enough room for groceries and everything else if I need to, but either way, right now, that's what it looks like, so I'll keep you guys updated. All right, what's up, guys? This is finally the last video I will have to do of the trunk setup until I decide to change it. But this is what it ended up looking like. Like I said, I have both of my compressors angled. Manifold is right in the center, and then I have a tank that is an airlift tank that is capable of 200 psi. I have a blow off basically over there. Drain is underneath, and then my tap going down to the tank runs back. All of the lines are currently rubber lines or nylon lines, basically whatever airlift sends. I do plan to switch them out to hard lines, stainless steel lines, whatever you want to call them later on. But for now, with everything going on in my life, I'm just gonna leave it as this. This is 10 times better than what it was. I actually used, sorry, it's a mess, but these are actually the bolts I used. They're, I believe, fender washers, not elevator bolts. So they're elevator bolts. These are 1/4 20, and then the ones on the tank holding the tank down are 3/8. So it worked super well. I didn't film most of this, but I filmed most of what you needed to see. Drilling all the holes and everything wasn't very exciting or anything. And the GoPro battery was not liking doing longer filming. But either way, that is what it turned out in. I'll come back tomorrow and check to see if we have any leaks. Hopefully we don't. I used some Loctite this time instead of the thread tape. I've been told that's better, but we will see. Overall, the vehicle's aired up right now, and I'm not gonna let you guys see what it looks like aired down until I get the wheels on and everything. But were you about to do it? If you want to, you can go ahead. Okay. But yeah, either way, vehicle looks good. Like I said, it's still on the winter wheels. So this is what it looks like. And I'm super excited. It made a giant mess and everything, but that's just life. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.